The recursive form of an arithmetic sequence is just using the same formula that you're given, or the same information you're given, over and over to find the very next term, and then once you know that one, you can find the next one, and so forth. So a little bit different than the explicit, where you can just go straight to, like, what is the 13th term, and you just plug that in the formula. Recursive, you kind of have to go step by step, and I'll show you what I mean. So in many cases, this is how you're given information. You're given what A1 is, and then you're given what A sub n, how you calculate A sub n, but you have to do it step by step, and then they'll say, what is the value of, we're looking for A sub 8, for example. Okay, so you can't just plug in A sub 8 right here, because in order to do that, you need to know what A sub 7 is, because it's 8 minus 1. You don't know what A7 is. In order to find out A7, you need to know what A6 is, and so forth. So what we do then is work our way up to it. So we know what A1 is, so what's A2? A sub 2 is equal to A sub 2 minus 1 is 1, A sub 1 plus 4. We know what A sub 1 is, it's 7. So 7 plus 4 is 11. Now I know what A sub 2 is. A sub 3 is going to be equal to A sub 2 plus 4, which is 11 plus 4, which is 15. A sub 4 is going to be equal to A sub 3 plus 4 is equal to 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. And you can see, and you work your way up doing it that way. Let's go up here. A sub 5 is equal to A sub 4, which is 19, plus 4, which is 23. A sub 6 is A sub 5, 23, plus 4, 27. A sub 7 is equal to A sub 6, which is 27, plus 4, with 31. And finally, A sub 8 is equal to A sub 7, which is 31, plus 4 is equal to 35. So that's how you do the recursive form. Basically, you need something, and in this case, A sub 1, that's usually the information given. And then you need to know basically what you add to the previous value every time you find the new value. Okay? So if they said, what's the 38th term? It takes a long time just to do this step over and over, but that's the way you would do the recursive form. Okay, now if you remember what we just did, we got A sub 8 was equal to 35. That was doing it that way. I'm going to show you a little shortcut, secret way of doing this. Okay, you already know A sub 1, and you're looking for A sub 8. So that means you're looking for the 7th number after A sub 1. Okay, it's not the 8th number, it's the 7th, because you already know A sub 1. So you're looking for the 7th number, and you're adding 4 each time. So basically it's 7 times 4 is 28, and then you just add A sub 1 to it, plus 7, 35. Done. That's the way I do it. I need to show you the basics on how this system works, but once you know that, just use a little math and you can figure out this stuff all by yourself. Okay? That's the easy way to do it. So basically, whatever this number is, if they're asked for A sub 12, you already know A sub 1, so you're really looking for the 11th number after A sub 1. Whatever this number is here, you multiply that by the 11. In this case, it would be 44. And now you have to add that a sub 1 back into it. Plus 7, in this case 51. So a sub 12 is 51. That's the quick way of doing the recursive form.